All right, here's a quick little just overview peek at everything. It's a super small haul. The company had offered me 6 pieces from their website, so I tried to pick very gender neutral stuff so that I could share with y'all, whether you have a baby boy or a baby girl. Also kind of like seasonally neutral. I live in the South, so we can kind of get away with stuff like this even when it's the colder months, because we get very few colder months. But anyway, I'm gonna flip the camera around and just show y'all everything up close, and then throw up some pictures of my little guy wearing each outfit so you can see what it looks like on. But I just wanted to do a quick little overhead of the vibe we got going on. Just very neutral, kind of boho, kind of earthy. Also, excuse this, I literally still haven't unpacked from vacation, which is very sad, but here we go. Hello, welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Christy, and I'm a mom of 5, and I promise if you're scrolling through my videos and you're thinking, wow, this girl must just do like different hauls, that is not the case. I just happened to do a few like haul video few haul videos recently. Did I get it right that time? I think I did. I did like a spring clothing haul, and then like a how I shop for my family of 7 grocery haul. And today's haul is going to be different and pretty short and sweet. A brand reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do just like a really quick little unboxing video for them in exchange for some cute pieces for my littlest guy. Like I said, I have 5 kids, and my youngest is a baby boy. He is 15 months old. So I scrolled through their website and their Instagram, and if you have seen any of my other clothing haul videos, then like you already know I like all things kind of neutral and earthy and boho and all of that good stuff. So they definitely kind of scream that on their website. So I was like, yeah, totally, I'll do it. So I'll have a discount code for y'all at the end, and then I'll obviously have it in the description box. And I will say most of their stuff only goes up to like 24-month or 2T. I did see a few things that went bigger, and they have a ton on there, so it wasn't like I looked through everything. So there could be quite a bit that goes bigger, but they did tell me originally that most of their clothing is geared more towards the infant sizes. So I decided to get all 6 things for my youngest. And I will say he's a little on the petite side. He's pretty tall, but he's a skinny little guy. So I did kind of size up. I think all of these are 18 to 24 month, except maybe one of them I got in a 12 to 18 month. I can't remember for sure, but some of them seem to run a little bit big, so just keep that in mind. But yeah, I think that's everything. Before I jump into it, like I said, my name is Christy, and if you're new here, I hope that you will stick around. I do typically film just mom life, lifestyle content, just all of that. I know that encompasses a lot, but I like it that way because then I get to do a little bit of everything: cleaning, decorating, different types of hauls. Sometimes I just do like day in the lives and cook with me, or if we go on a trip, some like vacation vlogs, all of the things that have to do with just being a mom and a homemaker and having kids. So if that sounds good to you, I hope you'll stick around. I hope that you liked today's video. Like I said, I'm going to try and keep it short and sweet. I am going to pop some pictures up on the screen of him wearing these, because I think it helps to just see how cute something is on the baby versus just me holding it up. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. So starting with the first little outfit, I'll have to look and see the names for all of these, because they all have names on the website. So I'll link everything that I specifically chose in the description box below, along with the discount code, so that if you see something that I actually got that you want, it's just easy for you to find it, because like I said, it's a big website. Like, they have a lot of stuff. So don't know the names of these, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what they are. This is a super cute little kind of boho colored palette romper short sleeve. I will say this one is maybe the only thing that kind of looks a little more boyish, but really I feel like it could be either, but it has the little rib detail on the, whoops, not the sleeves, the little, what do you call this? Like the leg openings and the neck line. And it's a really nice, cool fabric. It's almost like a stretchy, I can't think of the word for it, but it almost feels like what like a swimsuit would be made out of. So really like the way it feels. It's nice and thick though, like good quality, very cute, can go into fall for sure. And he's got some cute little manly baby boy knee socks that I think are going to pair really well with these. And I can link those socks. I got them on Amazon recently actually, and I really love them. I will link those in the description box below as well, because I feel like all of those socks match literally all of these outfits, which was great. So that is the first one. The second one, again, I love that this can go into fall. It is long sleeve and it has the like the sweatshirt look to it, but it is not a sweatshirt. So it says good vibes. It's in this cute little kind of fuzzy lettering. Again, it's nice and thick, but not like fuzzy thick sweatshirt material. It's just like t-shirt material, but good quality, so cute. Again, will look so cute with those little knee socks. And for a girl, like I said, these could totally be for a girl. They make some of the cutest knee socks, and I just feel like all of these romper style outfits are so cute with knee socks. So if you've never tried it, pair your outfits with knee socks, because it just adds a cute little touch to any outfit. And then I think this is the last like t-shirt style romper. So this one is like a really nice waffle type knit fabric. It's like tan and white, has a cute little pocket on it, white on the leg holes and the armhole, just everything, all the holes, the pockets. And again, very gender neutral, very seasonally neutral. This will go great into fall also, so love this. And then I did get a couple of, I don't know if you would call these rompers per se, or just like, I don't know, onesies, but, and I will admit these were for girls, I guess, because they came with a little like headband with a bow. But I just gave the headband to my 5-year-old daughter to play with, like with her dolls and stuff, because it was a little too small for her head. But so she was happy about that, and I kept just the little outfit for my little guy. So this is like a really pretty muted, almost like a sage green, or what do you call that, like a seafoam color, but just really nice and cool and simple for summertime. We live in Georgia, so cool is a plus during the summer months. And I use summer months loosely because I feel like summer in Georgia is like February to October. So this may not go into fall as well as the other ones, but throw a little sweater over it and it'll be great. Especially, like I said, the knee socks, man, I'm telling you. And then this one is a little more summery, I suppose. It's a really pretty kind of muted yellow color. Same exact one, same style, just different colors, but I just thought they were such good staple pieces. I love stuff like this that's just comfortable, cool, versatile, all the good things. All right, and lastly, I have this super cute, it's like a 2-piece set, shorts and a t-shirt. And again, it's that really cute, kind of like waffle knit fabric. This one's a little bit thinner though, but I really like it because I would love to wear this. Like, it's just nice and airy and cozy. It's got actual pockets, which is so cute. Cute little drawstring. And then the matching shirt is just a plain little waffle t-shirt, but it's nice and wide and, like I said, like kind of thin and airy and flowy. So I feel like it would just be super comfortable, but still easily go into fall, just like all of the others because of the colors. So yeah, I think that is it. This is weird for me because normally my clothing hauls specifically take me like 80 years, but like I said in the beginning, this one was gonna be short and sweet, so it's okay that I'm done already. But this is everything, and I will have it all linked below, as well as their website, their Instagram, and the discount code, which I'll also put on the screen right here. If you love clothing hauls, I will go ahead and link my most recent spring clothing haul. I'm sure probably the majority of the stuff is still available in stores. Yeah, I think I'm done. Crazy. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you will. I would greatly appreciate it. I'm still pretty new on YouTube, so every little bit of interaction and definitely subscribing helps me out so much, and I really appreciate it. And I have lots of just normal content coming your way, summer content, because we are officially out of school in my house. Lord help me. Anyways, I said I was keeping it short and sweet, and then I'm gonna ruin it with talking. So I am done. Again, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and check out Visikids. Save yourself some money on some cute summer clothes this summer for your little ones. And I guess I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.